Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how long it takes to withdraw funds from your Webull account. Let's break it down. First is the typical withdrawal time. On Webull, it generally takes 1 to 5 business days for withdrawal to reach your bank account. The exact time depends on both Webull processing and your bank handling time. Second is the factors that affect withdrawal speed. There are a few factors that could impact how long it takes. First is processing time. We will typically process withdrawing during business hours, so requests on weekends or holidays might take longer. Another is bank processing. Some banks may have faster or slower processing time. Third is settlement of fund. Make sure that the funds are fully settled before initiating a withdrawal. If you have recently sold stock, it can take 2 business days for those funds to settle. Only settled funds are eligible for withdrawal. Fourth is some tips for faster withdrawals. If you need funds faster, request a withdrawal on weekdays morning. Avoid weekends and holidays when processing times may be delayed. And that's it. I hope this helps you understand Webull withdrawal timeline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to know about Webull.